Here I've got Orange Fova, and let me show you how to enable safe mode on the following device. So at first you have to tap on power key and hold it for a while. And then click on power off and keep holding until you see the notification about rebooting into safe mode. So that's it. As you can see, here's the question: do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all third-party applications you have installed. They will be restored when you reboot again. So if you truly want to enable it, click on OK. Wait a couple of seconds. And that's it. As you can see here, you got the notification that you are in safe mode. Now you can use your device without all 30 apps. And then if you would like to go back to the normal mode, simply tap on power key one more time and reboot. So just click on power off. And now switch on your phone. So also tap on power key, and within a short while we will be back in the normal mode. So that's it. As you can see, now we are back in the standard mode, and you know how to enable safe mode once needed. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.